On a field trip. This is gonna be the best day ever. I freaking swear, bro. This is gonna be the best day of my
Saan ka
life.
pupunta?
Zubig Safari, Ocean Park, and I would also be going to a random church in Pampanga.
Oh, yes.
That's it. The teacher just put this there.
Alright.
Okay, that's the end of my vlog. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Big spider.
Gagamba? Ano ba yung gagamba dito?
Yes.
Yan.
Buhat.
Ano, iguana?
Wala. Sige na. Look at this. Ayan o, nag-move siya, Tish o. Yan o.
Ahas! 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 Nagumala yung ahas, guys. Natakot yung pag magkagat sa'yo. Ahas!
Ang liit ng enclosure nila. No?
Because of, oh. Where is the monitor beside you?
What? Ayun o, monitor lizard. There's a name. Ang laki ng snake.
What's in there?
No one. Green iguana.
So, pila po ulit tayo dito. Tugulan po tayo mga bouncer po ha. Meron po ay nasa right side. Mga bata po. Pinanaan po.
Ay, wag i-ano yung kamay ha. Oh, bigyan.
And yung mga PCR po, may PCR po dito. Okay, so, nasabi ko po kanina, so we will go to the birds first. Change mo lang po tayo. Snakes mo lang po tayo, then mag-birds po. Okay, so everyone.
1, 2. Smile. Alright.
Ang laki ng tiger, oh. Ang laki lang, oh. Look, it's so large. Hey, looks like it's so big. But it smells like it.
Something on top of their head, hence the name, helmet and TV style. And then in here we have the black cockatoo. So the black cockatoo is the largest of all cockatoo. It is also known as the black cockatoo or the great black cockatoo. And then in here we have two types of birds. Ayan. So name. As you can see, the other one has a yellow on top of its head. That is the sulfur crested cockatoo, and then the other one on its side po, here we have the umbrella cockatoo or the white cockatoo. Yan, so dito naman tayo. So in general term, we call them peacock. Yung peacock po na alam po natin, no, yun po yung lagi natin tawag sa kanila, yun po yung male. So the peacock is the male and then the peahen is called, peahen po, yun yung female. So the more colorful the bird is, ayan, yun po yung, yun po yung male. Kung sino po yung mas maganda, mas makulay, mas attractive, yun po ang male. And then the rest po sila, ayan, puro na po sila babae. Kung sino po yung nag-uusay ng kanilang male or ng kanilang male, yun po yung sinatawag na peacock or the male. And then in birds, we need to say, they're awake during dusk and dawn. Ayan, so malalaman po natin kung kailan gising ang mga owl sa kulay po ng kanilang mata. Ang kulay po ng mata ng Scops owl ay orange. Michael, yun po ay diurnal. Gising po sila sa araw. Ito naman po, we have the Eclectus parrot. Ayan, so we can easily identify kung sino po yung male sa female. So lahat po ng green, sila po ay male. And then the red one naman po, yan po yung female. So inside the enclosure, we only have set of males, red-eared turtles. And here naman po, we have our communal setup for the communal birds. Ayan. So they are all white birds po. Now we have the fancy chicken, doves, and then the turkey, and then the guinea fowl. Ayan. And then in here naman po, we have our cassowary. So cassowary originated in Australia. Ayan po, ang egg po ng egg ng cassowary is green. Ayan. And then, ito naman po tayo. Ayan. Everybody move forward.
Parang ostrich.
Rufous Nine Heron. So, they are nocturnal birds po. Ang ibig pong sabihin nun, mas active po sila at night. Ayan. So, tingin lang po sa taas. Nandun po si Rufous Nine Heron. Next naman po, we have the Toulouse goose. So, the Toulouse goose po, they originated in France. Ayan. So, the two larger birds are the male, and the smaller naman po is the female. Is the female. May lalaki, and then yung isang maliit, yun po yung babae. In front of us, nasa baba po. Apo, Philippine serpent eagle. So, from the name itself, serpent, ayan, kasama ko sa kanilang main diet, ay kumain po ng snake.
Where's the eagle? Huh?
Let's go.
Gray, we have our own freedom, guys. Gray.
Yan eh. Yung isang ostrich. Nag-ano ng... Naghasa ng ano.
There's a bunny worm. Oh, yeah, look, goose. A goose.
Goose. Goose. Oy, 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 oy. Oy. Alam mo. Matapang. Nagagalit sila. Ostrich. Ayan na. Ostrich, oh.
Are you gonna learn here? Okay, I did it. Then you were I give her a drink to.
Oy, anong kinakain mo? Toink, 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 toink.
We have here the Philippines.
Ito, donkey? Donkey? Iyo!
Yan, donkey, oh.
Sirapa. Loko to.
Jaguar!
Ayan, so once again, with our big cat, ayan, so we have the jaguar and our leopard.
Oh,
Ayan, so let's just wait for the others po.
Tish, harap ka dito. Picture mo kita dyan.
You need to show the leopard, huh? You need to show the leopard!
Alright.
Meow, meow! Galit, baka galit din, guys.
Meow, meow.
Donkey! Bao, stop. Marami dun walang ano. Walang mga ano.
Ayan, so in here, wala po yung animals po natin, ano? So they're currently out, but they're pets po. Ayan, pinapastal po kasi sila. Yung kanila pong lifespan. Ganun po sila katagal na bumuhay.
Mini petting zoo!
Ayan, so for the
Ayan, no, big. So big tortoise. Ayan o, laki. Ayan o.
Laki ng tortoise.
Mata.
Bella, dali, dali. Aiden, kamukha mo. Kamukha mo.
And then in here po, we have let's go na po.
Charis, tingin dito. Charis.
What's that?
It's a lion. Hi.
What animal is that?
How are you? Nakatakot.
Animal is that again?
Lion. Kuko. Where are you, boss?
Lion. Nakatakot ako.
Ay, uy, may mag-picture.
Ay, may meat.
Ayan, so baka po may nagbago po ang isip sa inyo. Gusto na po mag-feed ng lions. Ayan, ganyan po yung gagawin ninyo po, no? So gagamit po kayo ng metal tongs. And i-guide naman po kayo ni sir. Pwede naman po kayo. Yung last one, kuya. Yung mga hindi po mag-feed, pwede na pong mag-move forward para po di po tayo na iipit po dyan.
Charis, halika, Charis. Charis.
Can I feed the lion?
No. Nakagat ka dyan.
Yan, hindi ka na nak. Forward na.
Walang si Ann.
Laki, grabe.
Hello, Ann.
Si Ann.
Hello, Ann.
So female.
Oh, si Kashmira, pahingang-pahinga.
Sleeping Beauty.
Talaga naman nakabaliktad pa siya. Si Kashmira, there is she. And that
Nima.
is Nima. There's
Nima.
Ano nga yung liger, ma'am? Lion yung mommy? O lion ng...
Oh, liger, combined. Open belief to represent the liger.
Yan o, tiger. Hi. Oo. Parang kang baka ka ba? Oo. Tiger. Yung mga baby, oh. Ito, hyena.
There's a baby.
Wala na, go na. Go outside.
Yan, picturean kita, nak. Gusto mo? Tiger, mommy na lion. Dati na tiger.
Yeah, running a dinosaur.
Ang lilila.
Ang sakit, lolo.
Video mo na.
Can I? Oh,
Laki ng hands, dog.
no, what the heck?
Pag nakakuha ko siya ng malaki, nalayan ko siya.
Alam, naglalaway na guys. Ano?
11 years old po na. Bali, dalawa po na si Tom. Ito si Tom.
This tiger's older than me.
Tom.
Si Andrew.
Tom, Tom.
This tiger is 1 year older than me.
Para hindi niya nakuha. Para hindi niya po ma-bit-bit niya. Kasi minsan pag nakakuha nila sa bibig niya. May ganun po sila. Diba naman?
Nakita to. Laway.
Gutom na gutom. Gutom na gutom si Tom.
Guys, this is a 1-minute video now, bro.
2-minute video.
Yup, I agree, bro.
3-minute video.
3 minutes. Ang laki nito.
Gutom na gutom. Ang laki nito.
ng puwersa.
Lagi ng katawan. Walang sila ito. Joke lang. Oh my god, it's so
Laki
big.
nito.
Fight na tao.
Yo, this is getting insane, bro. Dude, this is now a 2-minute video on mine, bro.
Si Jerry na.
Jerry daw po. Asan
Uy.
si Jerry?
Sa kabilang area na po. Okay, basta pa na second daw Tidas chicken pa pa.
Si Tom pala to.
Diba? Sige pa.
Hindi dito na sila.
Up. Yes po. Basta mo sa mga
Uy!
Na yung
Bakal. Tiger, yung bakal. Sagat ng bakal, oh!
Oh my God. Tom, go Tom.
Gutom si Tom.
Tom, gutom na Tom. Lunch time na kasi Tom.
Gutom.
Laki yan. Baka mag-roar mamaya yun.
Ang laki ng ngipin.
Sino ka nang ngipin? Sinong dentist mo Tom? Nagrabe. Pinapasok niya yung ano.
Guys, I think he's gonna roar anytime soon, bro. You think?
Sige, try po natin. Ayan ha.
Go Tom. You can do it Tom. Anak ko ba?
Halika.
Kaya mo yan.
Smile ka na.
Smile baby. Ay, hindi ka pala baby.
Tom.
Tom.
Halika. Smile. Tom! Tom! Wala, Tom! Alright, okay na po sila.
Bye, Tom!
In Aitas tribe, you know, you remember that the people dancing and climbing the trees.
I forgot those.
Muna lang po tayo
Isa
ng
people.
mga friends po eh. Sa lilim na lang po tayo. Meron pa po dito. Ayan, so the second dance po is called the monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. So they believe that monkeys are excellent hunters in the wild and no other animals in the forest can match the ability of monkeys in terms of hunting and foraging. Ayan, this kind of dance is usually being performed by the younger generation as a form of training while they are... And so... So,
What the forest is that?
We are in the forest. The trees.
Where are the animals? That's strange.
No more.
They
These
are
the
sleeping.
Itas, community.
A community.
Community of the Itas.
Iron.
Sana magde-dare.
Are there crocodiles there?
There, we're going.
Here's the crocodile.
Buaya.
That's the buaya. Crocodile. Crocodile. Why they call crocodile?
You are the first one daw. We are una kailangan
So yan o, crocodile o. Nag-open ang mouth. Of course, they're alive. Lolo, lumapit na.
Nagulat ako.
Nagalit sila.
Kaya yan na, oh. Ayan na, napakain na naman.
Ala, walaw. Gumalaw dito. Gumalaw yung
Ay, naka-ready na siya.
Ang daming lolong. Bilis ka na.